Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your kindness and us this week. Parents, and all our dear and dear ones in the help us to learn our knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen.
Okay. Okay, today we are going to the exercise in the textbook. Okay, so please take page number 1717. Textbook, page number 1717. Now, the same page you can see on the screen also. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, this page.
You can see the same page. Yes, Bennett. Yes, Bennett. It's the same page. Okay, the same page you can see on the screen also. And example 4 we already completed last day. Now example 5 we have to start. Okay. And are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you got the same page? Yes. Now please be quiet. I will call out the name and they will give me the answers. Okay. And here example 5 it's written complete the following patterns and one is done for you. The first one already done for you. Okay. And we have the first one. You can see a black circle, white circle. And it is in the horizontal way, sleeping lines. That is the way. And the second one you can see in a vertical way, top bottom. That way we can see the black circle and the white circle. It is alternatively given. First we can see black circle, white circle in a horizontal way. Second column we can see black circle, white circle in a vertical way. Again it is repeating black circle, white circle, horizontal way, black circle, white circle in a vertical way. It is continuing, repeating. Okay. No need to do again. It's already done for you. So nothing is to there. And we have question A here. Okay. Now, Binakshi, unmute and tell me what is the question B? What you can see?
Triangle.
You can see. You can see the triangle. It is a normal triangle, upside down triangle, normal triangle, upside down triangle. So what will come next, Meenakshi? Which is the next one? Okay, just 1 minute. Let me. Okay, now you can unmute and tell me.
Ground.
What will come next one? Which triangle?
Normal.
Normal triangle. Then upside down, normal triangle, upside down. And which color we have to give?
Yellow.
Yellow. So all of you please do it. Please do it, all of you. Those who have completed, please be quiet. And those who didn't complete, please do it. So we can do here.
Ma'am, coloring.
Yes, you have to do the coloring. Normal one, upside down, normal triangle, upside down.
Ma'am, we have to draw with crayons.
You can draw with a pencil and you can give color with the crayons.
Ma'am, which color?
What is the color of the triangle here?
Yellow.
Yellow. So you have to give yellow color.
Ma'am, pencil, right?
You can draw with the pencil but give color using crayons. Now, if you have completed, you can go to page number 18. 1, 8, 18. If you have completed,
Ma'am, I completed.
okay, good. Evina, you have completed? Shall we move to page number 18?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can move to page number 18. And 18 we have question C. Question Shivano, what about the question C? What you can see? What you can see in question C? You can see arrows, no? And the first column you can see up arrow, up. Second column, down arrow. Again, up arrow, down arrow. So what will come next?
Arrow, up arrow, down arrow.
Up arrow, down arrow. So all of you do it. Up, down. Again, up and down. So alternatively we can see up arrow and down arrow. This we can do with the pencil, no need to color it. Anurag, unmute. Anurag, look at the question D. What is the question? You can see the pattern is, you can see in the first column a black circle.
Down, up, down.
Now, I am asking about the D. You can see a black circle. No, D. You can see a black circle in the first column. Second column, two black circles. Then again, one. Again, two. So alternatively, we have to draw one black circle, then two black circles. So all of you do it. So draw the circle and give color, black color. Okay. So here we have to give only one. Here we have two. And here we have one. Here we have two. And we have to give which color? Black color.
Black color. Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
black.
Yes,
I don't have black color.
you don't have black color.
I don't have dark color.
Later you do it. Anushka, I can't see your face. Sit properly, my dear. Okay. Now, please tell me in E, question E, what you can see in the pattern. Anushka, unmute, my dear. What is the first picture, first figure, first shape? Anushka, unmute the device. Anushka, unmute the device. Others, please be quiet.
Square.
First one is a square. Second one? Second one?
Circle.
Circle. Again, we can see which one?
Square.
Square. After that, we can see
Circle.
circle. So, it is a repetition of square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. It will go that like that. So, which are the basic shapes here repeating? Basic shapes of the pattern? Square and circle. So, all of you do it. Draw the square and color it. Draw the square and color it. Here we have a square with green color, no? Here also we have a square and green color. Then we have circle with the red color. So draw the square and circle with a pencil and give crayons, give colors using crayons.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, please be quiet. Let others also complete it. Then we can move to the next one.
I have finished it.
Okay, Haya, don't say finish, my dear. Say I have completed.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Now you please listen here. Be quiet. We are moving to the example 6. Are you ready with example 6? Shall we do? Anna? Example 6. Shall we do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about the others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let me share the screen. And we have example 6. Fill in the missing letters or numbers in these patterns. You can see the pattern using numbers and letters. Okay. And the first one A we have 1A, 3B, 5C, 7G, 9E, 11F, 13G. So it is a combination of number and the letters. And we can see the number. First let us see the numbers. First column we can see 1, then we can see 3, 5, 7, 9, 11,
30.
we have 13. So what will come next? If one more column was there, what we will write next number? After 13, it is alternative numbers, no? So what we will write next number?
15.
15. Okay, alternative numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now, along with these numbers, we can see some letters also. Letters. Here we can see A, B. So here will come C, D, E, F, G. It's already there. So which letter will come with the 15? Which letter will come with the 15? F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Which one? Which letter will come 15? If there was a column and we have to fill it, then what will come? H. 15 H will come. Okay. So no need to do that. It's already done. So we can move to the next one. And we have the next one. It's very simple. We have question B. Shiva Madhav, please unmute and read the question. Read the pattern B. Shiva, read the pattern B. It's a number pattern. 2. Read the pattern. Second one B. You can see 2.
2.
After 2.
4. 6. 8.
So what will come next? Which number will come next?
10.
Very good. It will come 10. See, alternative numbers. What will come next?
2.
What is the next number?
10.
Okay, after 8 we have 10. After 10 we have?
12.
12. Okay, then what is the next one?
14.
14. So here we have alternative numbers. Okay. 1 is not there, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5 is not there, 6, 7 is not there, 8, 9 is not there, 10, 11 is not there, 12, 13 is not there, 14. Now let us move to C. Wilfred unmute, Wilfred unmute. Read the pattern, my dear.
I.
What is the pattern here? We can see it is written only letters A, C, E, G. So how we will find out here the answer? For that, let us write letters. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
come.
J, K, L, M. Now, please listen here. Please be quiet. Okay. Here we can see the first one is A. After A, it is written C. So B is not there. Okay. B is not there. So that B we can cut. So C is there and D is not there. So D we can cut. See, alternative letters we are taking. So A, C, then E is not there. What will E will be the E is there. Okay. Now, what about the next one? Which letter will come?
Not there.
Ah, yes. F. Yes, yes, my dear. E is written here. Okay. E is written here. You can cut F. Then.
We have to cut in this book.
No. For understanding only, I just simply written. Okay. You no need to cut. Alternative letters are taken here. Okay. A, C, E. Okay. Then what? Which letter will come next? It is written G. Okay. Then what will come next? This H is not there. Okay. So we have I. Then we have to cut next letter. K we cut. So what will come next letter? K. Then we can cut the next one. L. So what will come next one? M. So alternative letters using we are making the pattern. Now we can have the next one. We should understand the logic, how we got the pattern. Then it is easy for us to find out the pattern. Now we have question D. And the question D we have. Haya, tell me the pattern. Read the pattern, my dear. We have D.
D.
Take your pencil from your mouth and read. Which is the first number? 1.
4.
7.
10.
10. So how we will find out? Let us write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Now let us see the pattern. We have number 1, no? Number 1. Then we have which number? 4. So 2 numbers they are living. Okay, they are living 2 numbers. So after 1 we have 4. So after 4 we can leave 2 numbers. Okay, we can leave 2 numbers, 5 and 6. So what will come next? We will get the number 7. Okay, again we have to leave 2 numbers. So 8 and 9 we are leaving. So what will get next? 10. Very good. Then we have to fill it. So we can leave 2 numbers, 11 and 12. So what will come next? 13. Okay, that we can write here, 13. Okay, now we have to leave 2 more numbers. So 14 and 15 we are leaving. So what will come next?
17.
It will come 16. After that, we have to leave again two numbers, 17 and 18. So what will come next number?
90.
So by leaving two numbers, we are jumping. Okay, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. It will go like that. So if we are writing the numbers, we can understand how it came, the pattern, how it came. Is it clear? Is it clear? D, question D is clear. Shall we move to E?
Yes.
Yes. So let us see question E.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Network issue.
Yes, my dear.
Some network issue.
Network issue. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. The same page I will send in the group. Okay. The same page I will send in the group. Let me rub it. Now let us see the next one. We have question E. And Advait, please read the question. We have the first number.
14.
Which number, my dear?
22.
Ah, 22. Then, Ara, where is it? 22, 20, 18, 16. Here we can see it is in backward counting. Okay, backward counting. Now let us write the numbers in backward, starting with the 22. No, so let us write 22. We have 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. It will go like that. Okay. Now let us see the first number. It is 22. Now, next number we have 20. So leaving one number. Okay. So we can leave the next number, which is the next number 19. That we are leaving. What will come next number?
18.
18. It's already written here. Again, we have to leave one number. So what will come next? 16. It's already there. We are leaving one number after 16. So what will come next?
14.
Very good. So we can write the number 14 here. Now we have to leave one number. So what will we get the next number? 12. So we can write the number 12.
10.
We have to leave one number 11. Then we will get the next number 10. Very good. So all of you please write the answer in the textbook.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Okay, good, very good. Those who have completed, very good. Those who didn't complete, please try to complete it.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay, now next we have question F. And this question is a combination of letters and numbers. Okay, letters and numbers. And we have the first one, M9, L8. Then we have K7, J6. Now let us see first of all the letters. Okay. Now M, L, K, J. That means it is in backward order. No, backward. Okay. How we will write then backward? So A, B, C, D. It will go like that forward. How we will write backward? Starting with the M. See, let us write A, B, C, D first of all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. It will go like that. Okay. Now, let us see M. So, where is our M? M is here. Okay. What is the next one? It is L. So L, no need of any leaving. Okay, it's backward counting. Then we can see next letter
K.
K. Next letter?
K.
Eh? After K we have next letter in backward counting?
J.
J. Very good. So what will come next letter?
I.
I. So we can write the letter I here. Then what about the next letter?
H.
H. What about the next one?
G.
G. So our letters part is over. Okay. Now let us see the numbers now. Okay. We have the numbers. It's very simple now. 9, 8, 7, 6. So what will come next number? Backward counting. We have 5. Then with H we have
4.
4. And with G we have
3.
3. Okay. Like that we have to complete the pattern. So we have I5, H4, G3. Now you got an idea how to make a pattern or how to complete the pattern? Yes? So we have to look at the pattern, how it formed. So we can understand the basic thing. So according to that, we have to form the pattern.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, if you have completed, we can move to the next one. Are you all ready?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, what about Evina?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Completed. Okay, what about Wilfred?
No, completed.
Okay, now I will share the screen. Wilfred, I will share the screen. Please be quiet, others. Others, please be quiet. Those who didn't complete, complete it. What about the Bhagyasri? Did you complete?
Parvati is completed.
Okay.
Finish.
Those who have completed, it's okay. Those who didn't complete,
Friends completed.
okay, okay, good, Wilfred. So we can go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 19. Page number 19. And we have question number 1.
Screenshot.
See, I should show you the other one, back previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you complete it. After that, we can move to next one. So please complete it.
Ma'am, no finish. Height G. I need 5.
All of you are completed. Shall we move? Parvati, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have completed. Shall we move to page number 19?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please take page number 19. And in that we have drill time concept 2.1. It's patterns using shapes. And Madhav, please read the question, my dear. Read the question. What is the question, my dear?
Identify the basic shapes or objects of basic shapes in each of the pattern.
See, others, please be quiet. Others, please be quiet. Madhav, read the question. Identify. Identify. Identify the basic shapes or group of basic shapes.
Or group of basic shapes in
Each of the following patterns. Okay, identify the basic shape or group of basic shapes in each of the following patterns. Now let us see the first one. A. Mother, read the first one. Everything is squares, no? But first one, what's the color?
green square.
Red square, green square, red square, green square. So what is the basic shape here? Basic shape is here square. Okay, so it's only it is square, but the different colors are there. Okay, so here we can see the square is repeating. Okay, but having different color. So we have to draw square. First square we have to give which color? First square we have to give which color? Which color we have to give?
Red.
Red color. Okay, we have to give red color. What about the second one? Second one we have to give green color. Good. So all of you draw. All of you. You have to draw. You have to draw and color it.
The square.
You have to draw the square and you have to color it.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
in the textbook.
In the textbook, near the question you can do it. In the textbook, near the question you can do it. Near the question you can do, or you can do here also. Here space are there, no? You can write A and you can draw the square and color it. Any way you can do it. Okay. Near the question you can do, or you can draw here also. You can write here A. Okay. You can write A here and you can write the answer. Any way you can do. And do one thing, it's coloring, no? So you do at home. Okay. Do at home and we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Second one we have rectangle, square, rectangle, square. So Parvati, tell me what is the basic shape here repeating? Which is the repeat part here? Rectangle and square. So you have to draw one rectangle and square. Which color you have to give to the rectangle?
Blue.
Blue. What about the square?
Yellow.
Very good, very good. Now let us see the C question. Question C. No need to do now. Just we are discussing. You can do later. Okay. Now we have question E. You can see square and rectangle. Rectangle. Amadali, which are the basic shapes here? Repeating parts of the pattern. Question C. You can see square, rectangle, rectangle. Square, rectangle, rectangle. So here the repeated part is
Red square.
Square, rectangle, rectangle. Square, which is the color?
Orange.
Square, which is the color?
Orange rectangle.
Square, it's look like red here. Then first rectangle it is yellow. Second rectangle it is blue color. Okay. So do it and we will discuss in the next class. Now it is time to winding up the session. So we will do it in the, we will continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will continue in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next session.